Hi, I was asked to make an exercise motivation video. Um, I can make something up because I really do not exercise. Please remember, I'm not an expert, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm just a mom of two little girls who's enjoying her life, and I'm 41 years old. The main thing for me is not a diet. I'm not on any kind of diet, and I do not exercise. So for me, is better not to have any sugar or any cakes or any sweets instead of having some sugar and exercise. For me, just waste of time. So I prefer not to stuff myself with artificial sugar, so I don't have to spend extra time exercising. I basically, all the exercise I do is what I showed you before. So it's like 50 to 100 times each side. And I can also do this, but this is fake because I don't do this. I can, but I don't have to. And a lot of water, as always, with lemon. And I just started going to some dance classes, but I cannot post videos from these classes yet. Firstly, because it's a progress. I'm still in the very beginning and I'm not satisfied with the result, not with the result with my body, but with the result of in terms of dancing. And also the second reason, YouTube may block me for posting inappropriate videos, because this is kind of dancing that is more about energy, not about fitness. So this is the only exercise I do, and also it's very important to enjoy what you're doing. I hate going to the gym. I hate running or any kind of physical activity that takes time. I would prefer to go for a walk with my kids and enjoy fresh air rather than going to the gym and spend an hour on a treadmill. No, this would kill my metabolism because this is not something what I'm enjoying. The key is to enjoy what you're doing, spend more time outside, drink a lot of water, and eat healthy. And follow me on my YouTube page, and I will show you more of what healthy eating means for me. And again, I'm not a specialist, I'm just sharing my experience. Living healthy and having fun and being happy is a key to a healthy looking body. Maybe one more exercise. Let's see. Maybe this one. Right? Looks like exercise, doesn't it? Yeah, you can do this. And if you enjoy it, right? I'm not. So I will stop it now. And have a good day and talk to you soon. Stay tuned for more videos about being happy. Love you all.